Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to resolve the Discord app issue. So if your Discord app is not opening on your Windows, today we are going to guide you through the process to fix it. So let's just dive right into the video and make sure to watch this video till the end in order to fix it. So the first thing you can do is hit Windows plus R and open up this fun box right here. And you're going to type in present app data present. Hit enter. And it will open up the file location. Find Discord from this options right here and double click on it to open up the file. And what you're gonna do is from here we're gonna delete the cache files. So right now you can see I have different cache files like cache, code cache, component cache, done with cache. So what you're gonna do is right click on one of them and individually delete them. Right click on it and go ahead, select it, click on delete, select it, click on delete, select it, click on delete, and delete all of the cached files available from this Discord box file data right here. And try it up. If you're not able to delete, what you can do is see if Discord is running on your taskbar or not. If yes, what you can do is you can just go to the task manager, open it up, and within task manager, see if Discord is working. You can search for Discord here. And if you find it up, you can just go ahead and right click on Discord and click on end task and end the task and head over here and delete the cache file available here. Once you do so, you can just basically close this up and all you gotta do is find your Discord. So just go ahead and find your Discord here. And once you find Discord, you can right click on Discord and run that program as an administrator. And that should probably fix your issue for that. So that's it. You may follow up this process and see if it works for you. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.